Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll down to access Sounds and Vibration. Now, if you wish to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, click on Vibration Sound Mode. Then scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and access Vibration sections under SIM 1 and SIM 2. Then apply the best vibration pattern for each of your SIM cards, in my case Beat. You can always disable vibrations completely by tapping on None at the bottom. With SIM 1 though, I will go with Standard. When you're ready, go back and do exactly the same for Messages vibrations. And notification ones. Last but not least, click on More Settings located at the bottom and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing. This way you will enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!